This week we make a Death & Co. riff on the zombie. Stick around. Oh, there he is. Donn the Beachcomber's tomb.
Are you sure we should be doing this?
Oh yeah. How else do you think people uncover new tiki recipes? All right, let's get the stuff. Ooh, Rittenhouse rye, nice.
Ooh, allspice dram.
Excellent. 151 lemon heart, very good.
Don't forget the passion fruit.
Today's recipe is easily one of my favorite modern riffs, as it expertly combines sweetness, tartness, spice, and
Heavy spirits.
But this level of careful craftsmanship is something that I always expect from the Harvard of modern cocktails, Death & Co. This recipe is a masterpiece from the mind of Brian Miller, a modern tiki vanguard who in 2008 was the head bartender of Death & Co.'s original Manhattan location. Miller himself says that he was inspired by Donn the Beachcomber's Zombie and wanted to create something with many layers to it. It was a deliberate attempt to make a new tiki cocktail that wouldn't be too syrupy or sweet. So he decided to do something with a mix of dark rums and Rittenhouse rye, a favorite spirit amongst the geeks, he says. Rounding it out, he tosses in some tart and sweet juices, syrup, and a pimento dram for spice. And of course, to give credit to Don Beach's zombie, he named it Gantt's Tomb, after Don Beach's real name, Ernest Raymond Beaumont Gantt. It's also just an amazing riff name for a zombie. Gantt's Tomb.
Undead. Genius!
All right, let's exhume this bad boy with 3/4 ounce of pineapple juice, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of orange juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, 1/4 ounce of pimento dram, we're using St. Elizabeth, 1 ounce of dark rum, he specifically calls for Gosling's Black Seal, 1 ounce of that geeky Rittenhouse rye, and finally, 1/2 ounce of 151 proof demerara rum. We're using Lemon Heart. All right, let's add this to our shaker. Add a couple ice cubes to agitate, chill, and dilute. Shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. Also just sounds cool. Brian Miller likes to serve this in a fun tiki glass. There we go. Gonna fill it up with crushed ice. And now, just strain it in. We're gonna garnish this with a mint sprig, so let's grab a couple of these. We're gonna smack it a bit to wake up the aroma. Stick a straw in, and there it is, Gantt's Tomb. Let's check it out. With that mint on there, you're gonna get that up front. Dang, that is a good cocktail. Just as Miller intended, it is very layered. You definitely get those juices right up in the front. On the back end, you get that 151 demerara rum, that burn, lifted up by that spice of the allspice dram. And then, like a good zombie, the other spirits are sort of hiding in there a little bit. They kick your butt at the end of the night. So it's an excellent riff on a classic. Thanks, Brian, for this great cocktail. If you end up making this at home, let us know what you think in the comments below. And do us a favor and give us a like and maybe subscribe before you leave. Until next time, cheers. Half ounce of simple syrup. Yes, it's store-bought. Don't judge me. You can judge me a little bit. We're using Lemon Heart. Shot through the heart. Got today.